Galing mo. Dali na, naog na diri. Hmm?
Squirrel's coming right over here, right in front of the door.
Yeah,
You come up?
and coming. The two squirrel. Ah, nandoon na ang mga ducks. Katagod sa
He's going up the tree.
nahiya ka pa. Takot.
The last time we were just too early, they were still sleeping.
Doon na, doon dire.
Oh, man, I see two baby ducks.
Mm.
Baby,
Mm.
two baby ducks are coming. See? See 'em? Oh, where mom? Is that mama behind them? They're coming. Here they come, baby. They'll be here in just a second.
Mm. Nakamuray na ngaon mga itika mo.
Look at the squirrel. What's the squirrel? He didn't found me nut. Does baby make it?
Mm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Baby
Yeah,
kinda-
here coming.
They're gonna be a little scared of the adults too. The adults will run them off. Oh, that's mama's here.
Napanisan kami ng banana cake. Bigay na lang sa kanila. Dali. Mm. Dali. Mm. Say thank you.
Oh yeah, in the parking lot.
Ayaw man doo. Takot sa itik. Mm.
The big black one, black and white one right in front of you, he'll eat a bunch.
Ay, naku, ero.
Big and big, all you can give them. They'll eat a whole day of loaf. I brought 2 loaves of bread out here and it wasn't enough. They still mad.